So before I begin with this video, kindly please, I'm pleading with you, like this video for me, subscribe, comment and also share this message with every patriotic Ghanaian who believes in private sector growth, industrialization and a self-reliant economy. Let's build Ghana through enterprise. The new Patriotic Party traces its ideological roots to the Dankwa-Busia-Dombo tradition, anchored in property-owning democracy, rule of law, individual freedom, and private sector-led development. From the era of Kofi Abrefa Busia to the Fourth Republic leadership of His Excellency the former President John Agyekum Kufuor and Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the NPP has consistently championed entrepreneurship, industrialization, and business expansion. If the NPP stands for enterprise, innovation, and strengthening Ghana's private sector, then supporting indigenous automobile manufacturing must be a natural priority. That is why this national message is respectfully directed to the new Patriotic Party and its leadership. If we believe in Ghana beyond aid, then we must drive Ghana-built vehicles, and that begins with Kantanka Automobile Company Limited. The NPP believes in private sector growth, industrial transformation, job creation, import substitution, and also value addition. Kantanka Automobile represents all these pillars. Let us examine the models and how they align with NPP's industrial vision. The first one is the Kantanka Onantefo, which has this executive authority and presidential presence. For ministers, MPs, chief executive officers, and party national executives, the Onantefo delivers power and prestige. It comes with 2.0 turbocharged engine, 165 kilowatts at 5,500 RPM, 385 Newton meters of torque. Kantanka Onantefo is an 8-speed automatic transmission and it has several driving modes including Eco, Sport, Normal, Snow. It has a top speed of 210 kilometers per hour and an Euro VI emission standard. Speaking of its safety and technology, it comes with ABS and EBD, ultra high strength cage body, ESP, HAC, a 360 surround view system, electronic tailgate, cruise control, tire pressure monitoring system, dual airbags, oversized panoramic sunroof. Yes, an oversized panoramic sunroof, leather seat, and many others. This is executive mobility made in Ghana. When NPP leaders drive on Onantefo, it sends a message: we believe in Ghanaian enterprise. The Kantanka Onantefo is going for a cool 428,000 Ghana cedis. The next vehicle is the Kantanka K71 Pro, which is youthful, strategic, and economical. Perfect for constituency executives, youth organizers, campaign coordinators, and what have you. This is a vehicle with a 1.5 turbocharged engine, 156 horsepower, 230 Newton meters of torque, 6 CVT transmission, multi-road sport mode, ABS plus EBD, EBA, ESP, HDC, TCS, EPB, and auto hold, and also comes with a reverse camera, cruise control, and ISOFIX child safety. This is affordable yet powerful. For a party that champions entrepreneurship, the K71 Pro represents smart investment and local value creation. The workhorse of development is the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. The Omama is 450,000 Ghana cedis. The NPP has emphasized agriculture and rural development. Omama is built for that mission. It comes with a 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine, 136 HP, 360 Newton meters of torque, and has 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers fuel efficiency. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission vehicle with 4x2 and 4x4 drive modes. It comes with rear axle differential lock. Speaking of its safety, it has ASC, EBA, TCS, hill start assist, 75 liters fuel tank efficiency, 9-inch LED display screen, and of course 360 panoramic view. The Kantanka Mama pickup truck has strong chassis. It has a strong chassis rigidity which ensures durability on rough terrains. This is ideal for district coordination, agricultural supervision, project inspections, and campaign tours in remote communities. Supporting Omama means supporting rural enterprise. The heavy-duty truck with that heavy-duty performance and also national command presence is the Kantanka Automobile, which is 588,000 Ghana cedis. For large-scale operations and high-level mobility, the Kantanka Automobile comes with 2.3-liter intelligent turbo diesel engine, 120 kilowatts, 380 Newton meters of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission, 4x4, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear differential lock, level 2 driving assistance, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, active cruise control, and also 360 3D panoramic imaging. Let us not forget its ESC, ESP, EPB, and many others. This vehicle reflects strength and stability, including values the NPP promotes in governance and economic management. We have the Kantanka Busia agricultural dump truck, which is 65,000 Ghana cedis, and this helps grassroots productivity. For farmer cooperatives, youth in agriculture, and rural enterprise, the Kantanka Busia comes with a 350cc water-cooled engine, 4-wheel drive shaft drive, 1,500 kilogram load capacity, hydraulic damping system, and comes with a climbing ability of 30 to 35 degrees. It has disc brakes and 12 liters plus 25 liters auxiliary tank. This is not just a vehicle, it is a farming partner. For a party that promotes planting for food initiatives and agribusiness, Busia strengthens productivity. Why this is important for the NPP? This reinforces private sector confidence. It reduces foreign exchange pressure from vehicle imports. It strengthens Ghana's industrial ecosystem. It creates skilled manufacturing jobs and also demonstrates commitment to local content policy. When NPP officials drive Kantanka, it strengthens the narrative of industrial transformation. To the national chairman, to the flag bearer, to ministers and MPs, and also to regional and constituency executives, let procurement reflect ideology. If we believe in enterprise, let us patronize Ghanaian enterprise. Let Kantanka fleet be part of party logistics nationwide. Contact Kantanka on 0242 037429 or 054 746 2581. We are located at Achimota overhead adjacent to the FBN Bank. This is my final message to the NPP. The NPP stands for private sector growth. Kantanka represents Ghanaian private sector excellence. Driving Kantanka is not politics. It is patriotism. It is industrial action. It is economic nationalism in practice. So, to anybody watching, I'm pleading with you one more time. Please like. After listening to this, share your comments in the comment section. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also share this message to everybody in the new Patriotic Party and of course to every Ghanaian. Let's move from importing status to manufacturing pride. Kantanka is not just any car, it is our car. Thank you.